Content blocks display specific content and are used to structure the entries. Choose from available blocks such as list of content, featured content, news summary, news rotator, event summary, subpages list, messages bar, search field, and timeline calendar. Make your entries structured and easy to read, with no IT skills. A list of content block acts as a container for selected content. You can change the default view of a given list and decide whether you wish to display content in the form of a grid or a list. You can set the number of columns and the number of items per page. Also, it is possible to sort the content in your block by different parameters, such as publication date, modification date, tags, and title. What is more, you can change the order in which elements are displayed and set the look and personalization. Featured content block consists of up to 3 columns that can display any selected content independently. You can adjust the number of columns in the grid and the number of items per page. The 2 mentioned blocks are only available on the homepage and in the knowledge base. Here you can see how the list of content and featured content look like after publishing the entry. News summary blocks are in the form of a dynamic summary of chosen news. You can add as many items as you need. Limit the visibility of the block and change the vertical padding, as for most of the Workai CMS blocks. News rotators may be especially useful when you wish to promote a few selected pieces of news from any page in one place. You can specify the display duration, similar to event summary blocks, which are used to display events. See how they look when your entry is published. Message bars allow you to place any number of configurable spinners of messages on your page. You can add messages which will be visible only from the perspective of selected users. Subpages list blocks are auto-generated lists of links to subpages. Since they are generated automatically, there is no option to add content manually. Search field blocks are helpful when specific information is needed. Simply type in what you wish to search for and press the Enter key. Timeline calendar is a type of content block that displays the content in a form of a calendar, so you can see exactly when the company events take place. Now you can see how the message bar, search field, and timeline calendar look like after publishing the entry. The Workai platform, the only limit is your creativity.